Video tutorial. This time discussing how to turn off notifications in Windows operating system. The first way. Click Start. Then select the setting. Next, select the system. Then choose Notification and Actions. Then slide Get notifications from apps and other senders to the left like this, so it turns into off. This is the way. The first. The second way to turn off notifications. Windows. Click Start, select Settings. Next, select the system. Next, choose Notification and Action. Then in this part, get rid of this one tick. This is the second way to turn off Windows notification. Step 3. To disable notifications in Windows operating system is by clicking Start. Then select the setting. Next, PLE personalization. Next, select Taskbar. Then scroll down. Choose this one. Now you can move to the left so that it says like this, off. If we just swipe right like this, then she will be on. Then slide to the left. There are some on ya. Later, if no longer needed, can be shifted to the left, like this, because this I need. Then I swipe right. Well, like that. That's the way. Disable notifications in Windows operating system. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful. Thank you.